Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about a frustrating issue that many users experience. YouTube showing offline or not working properly even when your internet connection is perfectly fine. You've probably been there. You open the YouTube app and suddenly it says you're offline. Check your connection, even though your Wi-Fi or mobile data is strong and other apps are working just fine. If that's what's happening to you, don't worry. In this video, we'll walk through clear and effective steps to fix this issue. Step 1. Restart your phone. The first thing you should try is a simple restart. Sometimes, a temporary system glitch can prevent YouTube from connecting to the internet. Press and hold the power button. Tap Restart. After restarting, open YouTube again and see if the issue is fixed. Step 2. Check if YouTube is down. Sometimes, YouTube itself may be facing server issues. Go to a browser and search downdetector.com. If other people are reporting the same issue, it's likely a temporary server problem. Step 3. Clear YouTube app, cache and data. If YouTube still shows offline, the problem may be with the app's cached data. Long press on YouTube app, tap Info app. Then select Storage. Tap Clear Cache if needed, also tap Clear Data. Step 4. Update the YouTube app. An outdated app version can sometimes cause connection errors. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube. If you see an update button, tap it. After updating, relaunch the app. Step 5. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Even if your connection looks strong, switching networks can help. If you're on Wi-Fi, try turning it off and use mobile data. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Also, try enabling airplane mode for a few seconds and then turning it off to refresh your network. Step 6. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can fix corrupted configurations. Open Settings, scroll down and select General Management. Scroll down a bit and tap on Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings, choose which SIM card to use for internet, then click Reset Settings button. Enter the screen lock PIN of your phone. Confirm, reset, and restart your device. Reconnect to the internet and test again. Step 7. Reinstall the YouTube app. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. Press and hold the YouTube app icon. Tap Uninstall or Remove app. Go back to the Play Store or App Store and reinstall it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube offline problem even if your network is working perfectly. It's often a simple fix, but knowing where to look can save you a lot of time and frustration. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.